Hello students, today we will learn a new project whose name will be gravitational or muscular and gravitational force. So we will create an animation showing muscular force and gravitational force using Scratch programming. Here we will delete this cat sprite and from the stage backdrops we will choose a baseball backdrop, baseball 1, and from the sprites we will choose a sprite of a batter. So we can write here baseball, and these are the sprites we have. A batter, we will place the batter here, and also we will take a sprite of a ball, that is a baseball, it's here. Now the baseball looks too big, so we resize it from here. Let's see, 50 when I make. This is still little big, so I'll make it 40. Now we'll begin the coding for the batter sprite. So for the batter, as you can see in his costumes, there are 4 costumes. Batter A holding the bat, batter B with one of his legs folded, batter C extending his bat, and batter D, he's moving his bat. So now we'll be using all these 4 costumes. We start with events. When green flag clicked, we place the batter here at this position. So from motion, we bring go to XY command. The batter is standing here, and from looks, we bring next costume, and we can also bring switch costume, batter A, then switch costume, batter B, then switch costume, batter C, and switch costume batter D. Now if we run this, you will not see any change of costume happening for the batter because it is continuously moving from one command to the other. The last command stops at batter D costume, and that is what we see here. To see the change of costumes happening, we have to bring a weight block in between each of them. So we bring here weight 1 and we change it to 0.3, and I'll just duplicate this weight 0.3 times. I'll put it here, then one more duplicate and put it here and here. Now when I run this, so you will see the change of costume happening, and between every change of costume he's waiting for 0.3 seconds. If you want more waiting time, you can increase the waiting time here, so the speed of the animation will be slower. Now the batter will be hitting the ball and the ball will be flying off. So a message has to be sent from the batter to the ball that now it's the ball's turn to fly. And before the batter hits the ball, just at the moment that he hits the ball, we want to add a sound. So from the sounds tab here, we search the tennis ball getting hit, tennis hit sound we will be using, and in the coding from the sounds we use the play sound tennis hit until done, and also from the events a message will be sent to the ball, spike ball, Now the ball will receive this message. When I receive strike ball, then it will fly off. But let me again play this for a minute. Okay, now the ball, is this a proper place or maybe this place? So when the green flag is clicked, the ball should be placed at this position. So position the ball properly and use the go to XY. And when the ball receives the message, it will fly off in the air. Maybe I'll take the ball here and here. So this is the new position. Now after I have position, I bring the glide command. So in 1 second, or if I say glide in 2 seconds to this position. Let me start. When I press the green flag, ball and the batter are standing here, and the ball receives the message and glides over there. Again, when I play, I'll save it now, and I'll make it full screen and run it again. So the ball gets the message and flies off. uh, Actually, if we want, let me do one thing. I will switch the costume of the batter to batter C right now. No, batter D. Okay, the batter D is going to fly off the ball. The ball should be somewhere here, I believe. Let's see if the position is here. I'll remove this go to and put this go to here. Now when I run this, it doesn't look like it is touching the ball. So we'll bring it little more closer here to the batter and go to command and run it. Still there is something missing. Let me run from here. Maybe little up we have to keep it when it's here. Little up. And now when I run this, little more up it is supposed to be. Okay. Little more up. Okay, let us keep the ball here now. So the ball receives the message and strikes. Or if you want this strike ball sound to appear with the ball, you can do that as well. For the ball sprite, you can look for the tennis hit sound, and in the coding for the ball, we will play the sound before it glides. So let us run that now. Or we can just say start sound instead of play sound until done, and then it starts the sound and also the ball starts moving. One more time I'll play this. So just before the ball starts moving, it starts the sound. So that looks more appropriate. Now after the ball has moved up, as soon as the batter sends the message to the ball, I also want a line to be drawn showing the movement of the ball. So we will be using the pen commands. So from add extension, we will add a pen extension and we'll put the pen down. That will be for the ball, because the ball's movement has to show the movement, the pen movement. So in the beginning only we can set the pen down, and we can set the pen color to blue in the beginning. Let us run this now. When the green flag is clicked, As the ball is moving, you can hear the sound of the tennis ball hit, and a line is being drawn with the blue pen showing the movement of the ball. Because the pen command makes the pen touch the mouse. When the mouse is down, the pen is also down, and as the sprite is moving, it is drawing the line with the blue color. You can always change the color of the pen from here. If you want any other color, you can decide the color. You can change to any bright color you want, and you can also change the size of the pen. Set pen size to 5, so this will make the line thicker. But now if you notice that before, as soon as you started the game, the line is still showing. So to avoid that the line, to erase this line in the beginning of the game, we have to use this erase all in the beginning. So now when I press the green flag, the line is erased, and now when the batter hits, the line is drawn. So this is the line showing the ball being moved up. Now, do you know which force is being used to move the ball up? Yes, it is the muscular force. So the batter will be saying, I applied muscular force to hit the ball. If you want, you can also use the speech block from text to speak. You can add the speech block. Now, when I press the green flag, batter is saying, I hit the ball with, applied the muscular force to hit the ball. Now, we will be making the ball come down. So we go to the coding of the ball, and after it is glided up here, it will wait. We will make it glide down maybe here. So this is the new glide position. So it glides in 1 second, falls down very fast. And also, before it glides, I will like to change the color of the pen. So from the pen blocks, I set the pen color to blue. Fine, let us do this now. So when I press the green flag, I'll save it and maximize it. The ball starts from here, and it applies the muscular force and falls down. Again, this line was seen in the beginning. It didn't erase that line somehow. I don't know why. Let's check out. It should have erased that line. It said go to XY. Let us put this go to XY first and then erase all. Okay, first it goes and then erases all the lines, and then it falls down. The ball, when it is falling down, which is the force being used? From the looks, we can use the say command, say which is the force being used. So the gravitational force pulls the ball down. Now let us run this. So when I make it full screen, the batter is changing the costumes, sending a message to the ball. The ball goes up and down. Gravitational force pulls the ball. So it is showing the movement of the ball and the force applied by the batter. If you want this sentence to appear for longer time, for 4 seconds, you can make this appear for 4 seconds so that a person can easily read the sentence. I hope you enjoy creating this animation using the pen and the broadcast commands. Happy coding!